no ho-ho-hos. Yeah. Yeah.
Hello you guys, it's Naturally Cookie here. I'm going to get right into this video. I'm cooking roast with vegetables over rice. Let's get to it. Alright you guys, let's get back into this roast video. I've washed my roast and it is clean and ready to be cooked. I have my pot of water here. It's about a quarter away full with hot water. My stove is on medium heat, number 6. I'm going to start seasoning my water. I season my water when I cook roast and not my meat. Alright, so I'm going to put in about 2 pinches of minced garlic. About 2 teaspoons of paprika. And about 4 tablespoons of nature seasoning. One tablespoon of lemon pepper. And then I'm going to pour about 1 tablespoon of liquid browning sauce. Okay, let's give that a stir. Now let's add our meat. I have 2 roasts here. I'm going to put in this water. Alright, we're going to cover it. I'm going to let that cook on medium heat for about 45 minutes. Then I'll come back and add my potatoes and vegetables and cook for about another 30 to 45 minutes. We'll be right back.
From everywhere, leaving our worries just over there. On many knees, we pray to you, Lord. I want to ride.
Okay, everybody, it's been about 2 hours. I'm not gonna lie that I've been letting this roast cook. I just cut it up into pieces, and now I'm going to add my vegetables. In this bowl here, I have some potatoes I cut up, some corn, some peas, some carrots, and some onions. Okay, you guys, it's been about 2 hours and I've been letting my roast cook. I just added my potatoes and my mixed vegetables along with my onions. I'm going to let it cook for probably another 30 minutes. Okay, you guys, I'm going to let that cook down for another 30 to about 40 minutes, and we'll be back. Alright everyone, the roast and vegetables are done. My roast is nice and tender. My vegetables and potatoes are done. My gravy is nice and thick. Okay, so I have my rice cooking right now. And I know you guys don't need me to show you how to cook rice. So when everything is done, I'll come back with the finished plate. Okay, you guys, here's my finished plate. We have roast and vegetables over white rice. This video was requested by Lakeisha Davis. She wanted to know my recipe for roasting vegetables. If you guys have any suggestions on what you would like to see next, please drop your comments down below. Don't forget to share this video with your family and friends and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a beat.